Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. 62,800 Jamaicans were unemployed in April 2024. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica STATIN has released the latest employment data, which is the second release since the revision of the survey in January this year. Javon Keys reports.
In April 2024, the overall unemployment rate was 4.2% for Jamaica. The rate was higher for females at 5.3% compared to 3.3% for males. Statin says women made up more than half of the over 62,000 people deemed unemployed at 58.1%. Based on the new strict definition, these persons are jobless, available for work and actively seeking employment. There were 29,400 unemployed youth aged 15 to 24, with the youth unemployment rate at 14.8%. Statin says female youth had a higher unemployment rate of 16.4% compared to 13.6% for their male counterparts. In April 2024, the overall labor force included 1.48 million individuals, with 788,500 males and 694,600 females. The overall labor force participation rate was 68.8%. Males had a higher participation rate at 74.5%, while females had a participation rate of 63.3%. The new labor force series represents a significant break in the dataset and is not comparable with previous survey data. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
And Javon is also in Guyana covering the second Regional Investments and Capital Markets Conference, and he now reports.
The stage is being set here at the Pegasus Suites in Georgetown, Guyana for the second Investments and Capital Markets Conference put on in conjunction with the Jamaica Stock Exchange. A number of stakeholders are gathered here. In fact, 200 delegates are expected to engage in discussions surrounding investment opportunities and how to build the Guyanese local capital markets. Of course, a number of Jamaican companies, including Fosfrit, Tangible Investments, NCD Capital Markets, they're all here to look at different opportunities in which they can engage with stakeholders in one of the world's fastest growing economies. Now, we're here on the ground to bring you some of those highlights, including the presentation that will be done by the Guyanese president. He's expected to address the delegates in short order, as well as Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, the managing director of Jamaica Stock Exchange. It's day one of the two-day conference, and we'll, of course, have some more of the happenings here from the conference coming to you. But until then, it is back to you in studio.
Thank you, Keys. Now, the Jamaican dollar has hit a new record low compared to the U.S. currency. At the close of trading on Tuesday, $1 was being sold for $159.01. The previous record was $158.89, set last Friday, October 4. As for the other benchmarks, banks and cambios are selling the Canadian dollar for $119.65. $208.86 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $176.70. To the stock market now, the JSE main index fell by 1,540 points today, while the junior market dropped by 31 points. Among the 47 winners, medical disposables and supplies, the lab, JMMB Group 7% preference shares, KLE Group and Key Insurance Company. The 49 losers were led by cargo handlers, Iron Rock Insurance, ISP Finance Services, T-Tech and Guardian Holdings. 17 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. International stories are next.